Welcome viewers, you're watching Bots based on true story, where we bring you stories that matters as they happen. As the world continues to move at a rapid pace, we remain your trusted source for in-depth analysis and breaking updates. Let's dive in today's lead. No car day ordered in Delhi government offices after PM Modi fuel saving appeal. Following PM Modi's call to reduce petroleum consumption, Delhi's PWD, DJB and Irrigation Department issued 11-point directive. Officials must observe a weekly no car day, use public or shared transport, promote EV production, install EV charging infrastructures to avoid foreign travel until further effective notice. Immediately. BRICS Foreign Minister meeting begins in India today. Middle East crisis on agenda. Two-day BRICS Foreign Minister meeting has been announced in New Delhi with Iranian Foreign Minister Syed Abbas and Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov among the attendees. The summit agenda will be finalized during the meeting. On day 1, Foreign Minister will also hold a separate meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Cuba ran out of diesel completely, 20 to 22 hours of daily power cuts. Cuba is facing one of its worst energy crises. The country Energy Minister has confirmed that no diesel fuel remains, pushing the power to a system critical state. Havana resident ensures 20 to 22 hours of blackout, severely disrupting food, medicines and transport. Cuba blames US sanction and fuel blockage. Uttarakhand slashes ministers. Convoy by 50%. Introduce weekly no vehicle day. Inspired by PM fuel conversion appeal, the Dhami government has announced 50% cut in ministerial and VIP vehicle convoys. A weekly no vehicle day will be observed, encouraging officials to use public transport or shared transport. This move aims to tackle rising global energy challenges to reduce environmental pollution. Heavy rain alert in 17 states. Wind to reach 70 km per hour. Monsoon is expected to make its entry into the country within the next 48 hours. India Meteorological Department has issued severe storm and rain alerts across 17 states with a strong wind reaching up to 70 km per hour. In Delhi NCR, light drizzle is expected on May 14. However, temperature may climb back to 41 degrees Celsius by May 15 and 16. Uttar Pradesh and Bihar are likely to witness thunderstorms with moderate to heavy rain and winds of 70 to 50 kilometers per hour. May between 14 and 17. Himachal Pradesh may see snowfall at higher altitudes on May 15 to 16, while Punjab is expected to receive light rainfall. Meanwhile, Rajasthan tells a contrasting story. A severe heat wave alert remains in effect across the western Rajasthan until May 18.